Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving the app permission to draw over other apps so the floating window can appear. Go to Settings, Apps, Special Access, then allow display over other apps for the app you want. Once done, launch the app once so Android registers it. Make sure your Poco launcher or system supports pop-up view in recent apps. If not, enable any gesture navigation or relevant UI option. This foundation prevents permission blocks and avoids later failures when you try to float the window. Next, put the app into pop-up or floating mode. Open the app and enter recent apps. Locate its app card. Tap the app icon on the card or use the shown gesture. On Poco, swipe down from the app card's corner to invoke pop-up view. Once the small window appears, drag the edges or use the resize handle to set width and height, then drag it where you want. This step gives you an on-top mini window so you can multitask without leaving your main app. Finish by learning how to manage and recover the floating window when needed. Use the window's top controls to pin it on screen, close it, or expand it back to full screen. If the pop-up disappears or won't appear, make sure display over other apps is still enabled and disable aggressive battery optimization for that app so the system doesn't kill it. If problems persist, restart the app, clear its cache, or reboot the phone. That usually clears transient issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.